Okay, my guys, the first thing to do is to cut and prepare the pieces, all the pieces with a plastic canvas. This is the base. The base is my case 24 centimeters for 9 centimeters. Then we need 2 lateral sides like that. And of course, the front and the back. These are all the pieces I need for my bag. Okay, I prepared all the pieces I need for my bag. Now I have to put the lining in each piece before connecting them all together. Okay, all the pieces are ready, but the first thing to do is to put the lining before going to join all the pieces together. Okay, now thanks to the help of some pins, I'm fixing the lining to the piece, and now I will connect the fabric to this piece using some threads. In this way, I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, now simply fix the fabric to the plastic. Okay, all pieces are ready. This is the effect you see. I want to show you better way. Okay, all pieces are ready. Okay, now we have to connect all the pieces together. Let's start from the base and one of the two big pieces. Of course, the lining will be in the internal side of the bag because this side will be covered by the bag, okay, the cord bag. Okay, let's start sewing. Put the base on the front side this way. Take your thread and needle and start sewing in this way. You take the fabric from one side to the other side. You have to pass the needle through the both fabrics and then sewing like that. You see, this is perfectly invisible from this side.